I'm doing an activity today using some beans, colored beans, a dice and a coin. And this is basically an exploration into integers and integers operations. We start with some very basic kind of an exercise, and then we can move along a little bit. So what I want you people to do is, I want you to have your pen and paper ready. I'll give you some instructions on what is to be done, so that there is some written work that you have to do. Let me remind you, the written work that you do has to be submitted today itself in the evening after classes are over. As classwork, I would like to see what written work you have done based on this activity, and then I will get back to you about it. So, shall I start the activity? Now, the first thing that I'm going to do,
we should keep the heading activity, test activity.
So I'm going to separate these two types of beads. So I have 10 red beans. Sorry, I said beads, it's beans. And then there are 10 white beans. Okay. So we have done a little bit work into integers already. So you already probably know that I'm going to use one of them as positive numbers and one of them as negative numbers. But we will come to that. Okay. The whole idea is to explore that idea. Now I'm going to put these beads into a bag, and it's a plastic bag. It's not transparent, so I can't see the beads inside this. They are all kind of mixed up. Okay, so I'm going to shuffle them a little bit so that it's all mixed up. Now, what I'm going to do, and I will give you an example or two before you people do this on your own. So the thing is that I have a die. So this is the usual 6 number die. So 1 to 6. And then I also have a coin. Wait, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do two things. One is I'll roll the dice, and the other is I'm going to flip the coin. Okay. Now, what is the idea in doing that? Is that if I flip the coin,
we can't see it clearly. Yeah. Yeah.
I can get a heads or a tail, right? The coin will give me a head or a tail. And let's say that head means not positive. Let me put it as red, and tail means white. Okay, so I'm going to do this twice.
So do we have to write this?
So once, no, you don't have to write it. I'll tell you what to write. So
What's the heading?
I flip the
Sir, I already wrote it.
So I flip the coin, okay, and I see what is it. It's a head, okay. You can't, I don't know, you probably can't see it. It's, the focus is too far out for this camera to catch that, but it's a head. I'm just giving you my word for it. So it's a head, which means I need, sorry, I don't need to write this separately down. It's red color. Then I roll the dice. Okay, I should be careful now. If I drop it from too much of a height, it will bounce off the table. So I'm just going to drop it from a small height. I get 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out 5 red. So I don't need to keep this inside this, but anyway, 5 red. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again. That's again a head. That you just have to take my word for it. And I roll the dice, it's a 4. So I'm going to take out.
So you have one remaining red in the packet.
Yeah, one remaining red in the back, that doesn't matter. But what remains over here is that there are 5 reds and 4 reds. So how many are they together?
So 9.
9.
9. Okay, so what you have to do therefore is that you have to write that there are totally 9 reds from the 2 throws.
So shall we write 9 reds?
No, this is just an example. I would like to give you another example in which there is a combination of red beads and white beads. Okay, so I'm going to do this again. So let's get rid of this. So I can say that, okay, I got it. Red, white. So in the first case, I got 5 and 4. So then I can do one total. Okay, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So there were 0 whites because whites never came into the picture. Now I do it again. That's a heads again. 2 heads. Okay, 2 red. Then I flip it again. I hope I get a tails this time. Yes, I did get a tail. And I get 5 of the other one. So I take out 5 white beans. Okay, now it becomes
So
interesting.
that's 6.
Okay, no, wait.
Yeah, sir. 6.
Wait. That's what. Don't hurry. So I've got, this is the first one, right? So now the second one. I've got 2 reds and I've got 5 whites. Okay. So now what
So the 6.
no, wait. How can it be? If 5 reds and 4 reds
So
make,
you've taken 5, 6. The white one. Instead of taking 5, you've taken 6.
I have taken 6. Thank you for pointing that out. That's observant. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair out one red, the reds with the whites. Okay. So what am I left with?
3 white.
3 white.
Minus 3.
Okay. So, yeah, but let's not go into the plus and the minus yet. Okay. That we haven't decided yet.
3 white, sir.
So I have got 9 reds over here. So now what happens is that 2 and 5 make 3 whites. Okay. So did you get the idea of this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
No,
but
sir.
how will it help us in our concept of integers?
Don't worry about that at the moment. Let's not worry about that. Let's just play the game. Okay. So from now on, what you are going to do is you are going to write it yourself, and we are going to do this until. So I'm going to flip the coin now.
No, sir, what's the heading?
I got the tails. Just
Activity.
put it as beads game or bean game or counting game, whatever you want. Okay. So that's a tails. That means I have to go for white. But how many whites? 6 whites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have I got 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 6. Okay. So I've got 6 whites. Very good. I got a heads and I got 3 heads. Now you write down. Now you write down. Please don't blurt the answer out. You don't have to tell the answer. You need to write down what is left. How much is left out when you finish making the pairs.
Sir, in the total thing.
Yeah, okay. If you want to call it that.
Sir, so now we should write in the red and white column 6. 6 for the white column and 3 for the red column, right?
Well, if you would like to look at it like that, so let me make it like this. So, for example, this is the red ones, right? So I can make 3 red ones, and for the white ones there are 6, right? So I can put it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So now I start the pairing. So this pairs with that, or shall I put it in the outer part? That will be better. I'll pair this with this, this with this, and this with this. So now what is left behind, that you have to write.
Sir, should we show the pairing?
Yes. Veer, did you understand now what I want you to do?
Yeah, sir. Now I got it.
Good.
So, what I left, we should write that, sir.
Yeah, whatever I have shown over here, you can write that.
So my lines, I have not drawn my lines with a scale.
That's okay. In this case, it's okay. We are not doing geometry, so it's fine.
Sir, my work is very untidy. That's fine, no?
So do we have to draw diagram for everyone?
It will be good if you can draw the diagram, but I'll tell you another way of doing it. Okay, now let us introduce the idea. Let us say that the reds are positive numbers, okay, and the whites are negative numbers. Okay, so now what you can do is you can write this as +3, okay, and you can write this as -4, right? So what is the result of that if you pair it out?
-1.
So you get -1, right? So you can write this as -1.
Only this time we need to write it in this way.
Is that clear?
Sir, I did this thing in all the three.
You did the same thing in all the three. Good. Yeah. So I'm just repeating the instruction. We can keep the red as positive and the white as negative. Okay. And so whatever number comes out positive, so there is like +3. So you write +3, -4, you write -4, and then you pair them out, right? And when you pair them out, you take them out. So they are gone. And what is left is -1. There is one left and it is of the white kind. So it's -1. Okay. So shall we do the same thing again a few more times? And this time you write it only like this. Okay.
So how do we need to write it this time?
In this way, a positive number and a negative number, and then what is the result of it? Okay, starting. Okay.
So the one that we did in number 3, right?
Tails, yeah. The number doesn't matter, it's okay. You put it as any number. We will do 5, 6 of these. Yes, Vedika.
So you got T.
2. Okay, 2 whites, and then I'm going to toss again. Okay, again it's white. Okay, this is going to be interesting now. 1. So I have got 2 white and 2
Sir,
white.
can I say the answer?
How will you write it first? Tell me that.
Sir, -2, -1
is equal to -3.
plus
Yes.
-1 will be in, no, it will be, yeah, -3, sir, and the plus will be in bracket.
You
So
don't
that
need
plus
to,
into minus,
yeah, you are adding the 2 up, but you don't need to say that.
then plus
You need to
into
specify
minus minus.
Because 2 negative numbers, so this was 2 and this was 1. Now there is no pairs possible, so the only thing you are left with is -3. Is that clear now to everybody, or is there a doubt? Anybody wants to ask a question?
So clear.
Clear. Okay, I hope that's true for everybody and it's not just for one person who said that. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now let us do it again. Okay, that's a tail again. So white color, 5 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have I got the correct number? Just keep track of that. Okay, sometimes when I'm doing these things, I don't keep track of these little things well. Okay, so this time it's a heads. I got 4. Okay. Now how will you write it? This is?
So may I answer? Sailesh.
It's okay, Shailesh.
Sir, everyone.
So the answer
Four
is
minus 1.
Sir, everyone. Sir, we should do it by our own, sir.
Everyone has
Yeah,
seen
just do
that.
it on your own. Correct. Just do it on your own. At the end of it, when everybody is done, then I will also do this.
Yeah.
So can I make the diagram as well as write it like that?
I can't hear that. So I did not write the solution to that. I'm just going to flip from now on. I expect you to write the solution. Okay.
So what?
10 seconds to answer that one. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Done. Next one. Whoops! The coin went off the table. Okay, but it's a tails. 5.
Gotcha.
10 seconds to answer that question.
Sir, what about the red?
So what's the only minuses are coming? Not even one plus are coming.
No idea. That's just the luck of the draw.
Sir, put
So the positive number
heads, sir.
didn't
Do not
come,
put
so it's
tails
red.
anymore.
Whoa, 6. It's always exciting when you get a 6.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, your wish has been answered.
No. Again -3.
Oh, you mean positive numbers are not coming out. Okay, okay. That's
Yeah,
fine.
not
That's
even
fine.
one positive number, sir.
This time you get only 5 seconds.
Sir, you're doing very fast. It's already been done. It's already been
Because we are running out of time.
The time server.
Okay.
It's been already done.
Last one. Let's see if we get a positive number.
Positive.
Oh no.
No.
Okay, maybe we'll try tomorrow and see if positive number comes out of this. But
Yeah, sir.
it
We
doesn't.
have to get a positive number.
Okay, so we'll stop here. I'll post an assignment today. So whatever you have written in terms of the activity that we did, please post that as a reply to the assignment, and then I will get back to you tomorrow about it. All right then.
Yes, sir.
See you tomorrow. Bye.